Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 274 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm going to be trying out the AOA Studio Sculpting Brow Pencil. And I have this in the shade Taupe, but it comes in 5 different shades, which is pretty good for eyebrow pencil. And this is $1, it's cruelty free. And this is really high rated on the ShopMissA website. I'm really hoping that I'll like it a lot too. I love eyebrow products so much. I feel like if I could only leave the house wearing one product, it would probably be eyebrows. Like, I'm so into filling in my eyebrows every day. I feel like I look incomplete without it, and that's how I feel like I look right now. So let's get into this product. Okay, pencil on one end, spoolie on the other end. I love that. I need my spoolie. So let's check out this pencil. Yeah, so this is a very unique shape because it's like a triangle shape. So that seems very interesting to work with since you have that sharp point to get very precise, or you can use the thicker side to fill it in. Let's see how this color looks and how it writes. Okay, so it doesn't, at least with this first test of it, it's not drying on very easily. It doesn't glide on, so you kind of have to work at it to actually get the pigment to show. Hopefully this will be a decent color for me, but it does, once you go over it a bunch of times, have pigment that you can build up. So sometimes I feel like that's better for an eyebrow product because I don't want to go in with too much at first. I want to be able to gradually build up what I need. So let's just get to it. I'm going to start out by just brushing my long unruly brow hairs with the spoolie. And I'm going to take the sharper end and try and fill in with some small hair-like strokes. I really can't believe that it's November now. I'm so not ready for the cold and for the winter. I actually just booked a trip to Nashville, which is one of my favorite places, and I'm going to be going there in January, so that'll be a little break from the New England weather, but that's so far away it feels like. If you've ever been to Nashville, let me know in the comments down below if you have any suggestions of things that I should do. I've only ever been once and there were a lot of things that I didn't get to do, so I'm so excited to go back. Okay, so I filled in this eyebrow here and I'm really happy with how this is looking. I'm loving this color. I'm loving the ease of this product. I feel like it's very precise, but then it blends out beautifully by brushing through with the spoolie. And I just feel like it looks natural. My eyebrows look full, they look shaped, but they don't look super fake. And this is exactly what I like my eyebrows to look like when I fill them in every day. Yay, so far so good. I'm gonna go ahead and fill in the other eyebrow and come back with my final thoughts. Okay, so my eyebrows are filled in and I am so happy with this product. I absolutely agree with those high ratings. I can't believe this is only $1. Actually, let's see how much product we actually get. Wow, okay. That's like a good amount. For $1, I'm sure this will be able to last me for a while. But I just think that the end result looks so good and it's really easy to achieve. Of course, like, it doesn't hold the hairs in place, and since my eyebrow hairs are so long, I do need to still set this with a gel, but that's no problem. That's what I do with all of my eyebrow pencils. And this $1 version I feel like is just as good as the higher end products that I've tried, like the IT Cosmetics Brow Power. I love that one. I'll link that one down below if you want to see my video on that. The Ulta eyebrow pencil, the NYX eyebrow pencil, all of which I've tried out on my channel and I will link down below. But this one, this $1 version, compares to all of those and is just as good. When it comes time for buying eyebrow pencils, I'm just gonna get this one because it's an amazing product. It works great, it looks great, but it's only $1. So why would I spend more money on getting a product that performs just as well as this one? I feel like I'm very quickly building up my collection of makeup with some amazing dollar store products, and this is going right into my daily makeup collection. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.